Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and another makeup tutorial, because that's literally all we do over here on this channel. But today, as you can tell from the thumbnail and the title of this video, I am doing a recreation makeup look. I follow an Instagram account called MILK1422 and it's all face charts, and honestly this person's work is absolutely phenomenal. So creative, out of the box, authentic. I'm vibing. Okay, I'm vibing. But this is the look that I'm going to be recreating. If there's glare from my phone, I will put a picture somewhere so you can see it a little bit better. But yes, that is the face chart that I am going to recreate today. It's very bold, it's very bright, colourful, vibing. I'm living for... Let's begin. Like every other time before I do my makeup, my skin is moisturised. So just going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimising primer, and I'm just sticking that all over my T-zone, realistically everywhere that has pores. Next I'm going to go in my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Ivory, and hopefully I haven't run out because the other shade that I have is slightly darker and I don't want half my face to be white and the other one to be tanned. So change of palette, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. foundation instead because I know for a fact that this is full and I can use this. I'm just going to pounce that into my skin. This foundation also has SPF. Not that I'm going to need it because it's currently snowing in the UK. So foundation is now done. I'm now going to go in with concealer. This is the Last Imperfection Concealer by Collection. The best drugstore concealer going. Also, if you can hear my music in the background, I'm so sorry. Hopefully I won't get copyrighted because I'm really not about that life, but you know me, I like to listen to music when I'm doing my tutorials or just my makeup in general, so I'm sorry. If you're an 80s fan, you'll love it. If not, sorry. So to set my under eyes, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. HD Under Eye Setting Powder and a Real Techniques brush. Where are you? Hello? I don't find my normal brush, so I've just had to go in with a smaller Real Techniques brush. This is the Point XS, which is just one smaller than the Point S brush, which is what I normally use. But I'm just going to set my under eyes, and this is going to be so tedious with a smaller brush, but you got to do what you got to do. So to set the rest of my face, I'm just going in with my Maybelline Matte Maker powder. I use this all the time now. I went through a stage of just not using it, and now I'm using it again, because it's like the best finishing powder for my face. So for contour, I'm just going to go into my contour palette from NYX, and I'm just going to pick up this cooler tone brown on my angle brush from Bare Minerals, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks. I'm just using a fluffier brush. I'm just going to sweep that across the forehead. In the face chart, it doesn't actually look like there's too much blush. I'm just going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush in Luminosa, and I'm just going to take a very small amount just to give myself a little bit of colour, but not too much, because like I said, in the face chart it doesn't seem to be too much, because you do want to concentrate on the flash of colour down the centre of the face. As well, there didn't seem to be a lot of highlight. If there was, it was very, very subtle, but you know me, I love my highlights. I'm going to go in with my NYX Strobe Genius palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, the one that has been used a lot, and it's just a really nice champagne shade. I'm just going to take that on my e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I'm just going to sweep a little bit on the high points of my cheeks. And she says a little bit, and I'm like already blinding people. So with my face makeup set in place, I'm now going to move on to the eyeballs, and there is a lot of snow falling. So for the eyes, there doesn't seem to be a lot of eyeshadow going on, but there is a little bit of like a pink, smoky, maybe a little bit of a glitter cut crease situation going on, so that's what I am going to be So that is what I am going to be doing. So for the eyes, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette, and I'm just going to be picking up the shade Bay and just going to put that all over the lid, just as a base colour. I'm just bringing that all the way up to the brow as well. Then next I'm going to go in with Shy, which is a baby pastel-y pink colour. just using the same brush, and this is the Spectrum BL6 brush. I'm just going to sweep that in the crease. Next I'm going to go in with Flamingo just to keep the pink there, but I'm just going to bring that all over the lid into the crease as well. Using a small angle brush from Spectrum, which is the BL4, I'm just going to take up the shade Bossy, which is another matte burgundy, pinky, browny plum shade. I'm just going to stick a very small amount of that on the outer corner just to give it more of a smoky, elongated effect. Like so. Next is for the eyeliner, and I'm just going to use the Tartest Pro glitter liner in the shade Rose Gold. I'm just going to use this more glittery side. I'm just going to take this slightly above my crease, so when my eyes are open you can still see the glitter. I'm going to be needing a closer mirror for this also. Just taking very short, small strokes. And just using my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Nephew, I'm just going to bring that all over the lid as well, just for an added highlight. Just for an added shimmer, a little summer. So I'm just going to apply my lashes off camera because you know I hate applying my lashes on camera. It takes me a hot minute to do that. So I'll be right back in about 2 seconds. So lashes are now on, so continuing with the eye makeup, I'm now going to go in with my Marc Jacobs Gel eyeliner in the shade Pink of Me. I think it's Pink of Me. Yep, Pink of Me. I'm just going to take that across my waterline. So I'm just going to go back into my Huda Beauty palette and picking up the shade Bossy once again on my flat shader brush that we applied the highlighter with. And then for mascara, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black Waterproof Mascara. This is the first time you're using this mascara and I like it. I like it a lot. So for the main attraction of this face chart is the flash of colour across the face, and I have realised that it's in the order of the rainbow. Using the Ultimate Brights palette from NYX. This is the only palette I'm going to be using for this entire rainbow situation. So I'm just going to pick up the orange shade. I'm just going to buff that just above the pink cut crease that we have done. And it doesn't matter if it goes into the brow because it looks like they all transition into the brow anyway. Picking up another brush and picking up the purple shade. Just going to stick that just below that orange and just above that cut crease. Again, I'm using a very light hand, picking up a little bit of pigment and just building that up. You don't want to start with too much pigment and not being able to blend it all out. Now picking up blue, and this is just going above that purple. Go back into this palette and a clean brush. Go back into that champagne-y shade. I'm just going to swipe that down the centre of the nose. And there's a little bit of gloss on the lips as well, so I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to... And this is the completed look. You can recreate this face chart look entirely of eyeshadows or eyeliners. That's completely up to you if you want to recreate this. I will link his Instagram down below because his work is phenomenal. It's absolutely amazing. And I absolutely love this face chart situation. Although it does look like I've gone to like an 80s rave. You know? Always, all my brushes products that I have used will be listed down below for you guys if you were interested. All of this is practically drugstore except for 2 things, possibly 3. Other than that, everything is drugstore, so you can recreate this on a budget if you would like to. Halloween, a festival, I would wear this for a festival. I would. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with a beauty related video. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!